What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tommy Kentner here. If you're dropping in for the first time, today looks like we're getting an off-road build. We've already jumped way ahead, but the harness is out. This is a 2.5 RS that we're going to WRX swap. And we got no engines or trains, but we actually do. Pulled the harness out. I'm going to send it to I-wire. This thing looks pretty tough. I'll be doing some off-road adventures with it. And then this is the engine and trans that we're going to be putting in it. And rear end. Adrian got a lot of work done last night. But if you want to WRX swap your 2.5 RS, this is what it looks like. Alright, and we picked up this for Victoria's mom. We're getting a new engine for it. It is an auto, and we actually gave her a 5-speed 2.5 RS with an STI wing, you know, real JDM stuff. But we will be getting that car back, and we're going to go take it rallying. So as soon as we get this finished up, guys, we'll have a rally car that we can go thrash on. And I just happened to get another, well, we'll have 2 motors to rebuild. That way we have backups. And we'll probably stay NA with that just to go have fun with it and kind of make it a budget rally car. That's what we're gonna do. A budget rally car list.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. All right. But yeah, so as soon as we get this fixed up for her, that'll be on the channel. And we'll take you guys along to the rally events in Alabama. All right. Victoria got some new billet work caps. Down in Galaxy. She's going to do some custom powder coating to the pipes and all the other stuff. What color do y'all think she should do? Drop a comment below. Now I'm back on the hunt for an R33, and as soon as we find one of those, we'll pick it up, or maybe another 32. After owning the white one, it was actually a pretty fun car. Really enjoyed it, but like I said, on to the next. And we got the rally car moved out, got a clutch job in. About to get that out. Adrian's got his block all buttoned up. I can't remember if I showed you guys, but he's got the injectors in, the rail in. Nice little piece. And he's waiting on his crank trigger kit. And this. He's got the turbo. That big Johnny right there. So hopefully some stuff coming with this, and we'll be getting it in the car soon. But guys, we're going to try to get back up to Duncan soon and get y'all a buyer's guide. So if you're looking for an import JDM car or whatever else they import, that way if you go to buy one, it kind of give you the heads up of the process. and go from there. Drop a comment below of about 3 cars that you would like to see us review. I know the Mini is one of them. And just like that, this video's over. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.